So today we're going to install a magazine block limiter into the Magpul D-60 magazines. So I'm going to show you how to take this magazine apart. For this you will need a flathead screwdriver. So put this under here, snap all of these snaps off. And you can do it a little easier than that, not tear up your magazine, but there you go. So now the front will come off. There are some little snaps here, and those need to be pushed up. So just get your screwdriver under there. A little harder to do on camera, but you get the point. All right, so there you go. So here's the inside of your magazine. So here is the spot right there, this little hole. You need to make sure lines up with this little tab on the limiter. So that just goes right into that hole and it'll slide right down into place. This limiter will also index with the grooves on the top of the magazine. So now getting this back together is fairly easy. You want to make sure that all your tabs line up on the inside before you push this thing down. Once they're all lined up, just snap it in. So now your front cover will snap on. Keep the little lever at the top. And then all of your plastic catches snap on like this. Just hook it under, snap it into place. Easy. All right, 10 rounds. You can crank this and see that we can't get another round in here. And as hard as I crank this lever, that's not